ABN and PRR College of Science, Kovur. Welcome to online classes 4th semester Communication Soft Skills by G. Vijay Kumar. Today's topic is e-correspondence or email. What is an email or e-correspondence? E-correspondence refers to the corresponding someone using email with the advent of internet and technology. Writing physical letters has become rare. Most of the correspondence is made on email. As you are aware, email is fast and can reach any corner of the world any time of the day. It is not surprising to say that email has converted the world into a global village. Etiquette of email writing. Some points you should know. First one, be careful in typing the email ID of the person who you are writing. A single character, alphabet, or number, or a punctuation mark in the email address will make the mail bounce or post the mail to somebody else's mailbox. Therefore, there is a need to double check the spelling of the email ID before you click on the send button. A better way to avoid a mistake in the email ID is to save all the email IDs and retrieve them when needed. Keep the private and official mails separate. We should not use the same ID for both of them. Usually all official communication is saved for future use. Official mail is office property. Therefore, others may access your official mailbox when you are on leave. Do not leave email boxes unopened. You should access your mail as frequently as possible so that you can be in touch with others. Delete the junk immediately, otherwise, you may overlook an important mail. When it is mixed with junk mail, try to reply the mails immediately. Look at this email. What is email or e-correspondence? Email is used widely for personal, professional, academic, business communication because it is an easy, fast, and convenient mode of communication. There are some components of emails. There are from, to, CC, BCC, subject, and attachments. Now I tell you what is from. What is from? From email address of the sender were sending to where. Do means email of the receiver. CC. CC means carbon copy or copy to list of receivers of the same message. Next, BCC. BCC means blind carbon copy. The list of receivers can be hidden by the sender. Next, subject. The subject tells us what email is about to mandatory to write the subject of the mail. However, it should be brief and straightforward. And last one, attachments. Files can be sent along with the mail from attachments. There are the main components of email. These are the main components of email. Next, we have some points to remember while we are making of email. The language used in email should be easily understood by the receiver. The message should be consists of the points. The sender must avoid repetition. The tone of the message should be polite and formal. The sender must avoid the use lengthy sentences. Informal or casual language can be used for personal mails. For formal mails, the words must be chosen the utmost care. Sixth one, do not skip the subject line which focuses on the idea of your mail. And seventh one, the email should begin with the purpose of the mail. Next, the sender must use attachments when required. Do not share confidential matters through the mails because the email ID may be hacked. Thank you, all the best.